We will start with some general information related to student and staff assignment reporting, and then introduce key concepts related to the data collected. So why do LEAs need to submit staff assignment records to CalPads? The staff assignment, or SASS, is used to submit assignment data about a staff member. Only employees with SEIDs, or statewide educator identifier, who are actively employed or on leave on census day should be included in the SASS submission. This file is part of the Fall 2 submission and certification, and the data submitted is used to create required state and federal reports for staff FTE collection through the Education Data Exchange Network, or EDEN, and also used for state assignment monitoring compliance. In preparation for Fall 2, it is usually necessary for required data to be collected in the student system or other systems available. Here is a list of some of the Fall 2 elements and the groups that typically collect that information. It is best to start working with these other groups as soon as possible to ensure that the data is ready for submission once Census Day arrives. In relation to staff assignments, you, the CalPADS coordinator, need to contact your human resource person to determine staff demographics, including the SEEDs, as well as each of the staff members' assignments and full-time equivalency percentage, or FTE. Similar to Fall 1, where the SSID enrollment, or SENR file gives you ownership to report a student, the staff demographics file gives you ownership for Fall 2 submission. It is important to understand the relationships between record types for Fall 2. Record types shown below are dependent on the record types above them. For example, if you must submit and post a staff demographic record prior to submitting either staff assignment or course section records, breaking this order of submission will usually result in rejected records. There are two components to staff data. All certificated staff require demographic and assignment records. The SDM, or staff demographics, include demographic information on certificated staff, including employment start and end dates, total years of service in the education field, and total years of service in the given LEAs. On the other hand, the staff assignment, or SASS, includes job classification information and FTE, or full-time equivalency percentage of all certificated staff, as well as job assignment information for certificated staff in non-classroom based assignments. SEIDs, or statewide educator identifier, are required for the submission of staff data to CalPADS. Any educators who do not have SEID will not be included in data submission. The Commission on Teacher Credentialing, or CTC, is responsible for assigning and maintaining SEEDs. Each LEA must obtain the SEED from CTC and then include the SEID in the two staff data files, the SDM and the SASS. The SEED allows LEAs to maintain data on individual educators over time and also link the educator credential information with assignment information, which aids in the monitoring of assignments. Your HR department can contact your county credential analyst or reference the CTC Credential Information Guide if they need information on requesting SEIDs. To successfully report your staff data in CalPADS, LEAs need the proper user account roles assigned to them. For data population, they need to have the staff search, the SDM edit and view roles, and the SASS edit and view roles as well. For them to be able to review reports, they also need to have the Fall 2 reports role added. LEA should also be aware that there are excellent reference documents available to download for guidance on different aspects of CalPADS reporting. First and foremost is the CalPADS user manual. Second is the CalPADS code sets for all the possible codes that you may use for each of the fields. Third is a file specifications form, which provides information on what fields are required on certain situations. And you have your error list, which provides you the reason for a rejected record as well as some suggested solutions. You also have the data guide for business rules and some policies revolving SASS and staff and SDM reporting. And of course, you have your retired course code mapping for 2019-20, which provides you guidance on recommended newer state course codes as well as non-classroom job assignment codes that are valid for this current academic year.